Hi, this is Brittany with Mosaic Insurance, and I'm here to talk today about PIP insurance. It's on your auto policy and it is called personal injury protection. So, what this coverage offers you is medical benefits for yourself if you're in an accident, whether at fault or not at fault. So, in the state of Washington, you get the option of $10,000, $35,000, and some carriers can offer 50,000, but it is rare that you see that. The other option is you can reject this. You do have to sign a form because rejecting this is something you have to acknowledge with the state that you have rejected this coverage, and you will have no medical for your accident, whether at fault or not at fault. You have your major medical insurance that may pay out for some things, but that is on you to verify what they would and wouldn't cover. The great thing about PIP insurance is that it pays out no matter what. So if you're at fault for an accident or not at fault for an accident, PIP insurance is what pays out. You don't have a deductible to pay for this. It's just going to be medical coverage for your chiropractic visits, your visits to the hospital, your ride in an ambulance to the hospital, surgeries. It will pay out for lost wages if you can't work due to the accident. Also, it would pay out for if somebody needed to come in and clean your home because you're unable to work. And these coverages are listed in detail on your policy paperwork, your policy verbiage, and it will explain to you exactly what you get for each limit of PIP that you have. Now, a thing that I tell people is you can try using your major medical, but you have deductibles to meet. So if you think about how if you look at your major medical insurance and you only have 10 visits of chiropractic visits, or you have a $5,000 deductible to meet before they pay out, that is money out of your pocket that you need to pay before your insurance pays out. Now with PIP, you don't have a deductible. You go to the hospital, you go to the chiropractor, these things are paid. And then from there, if the accident was not your fault and the other company chooses to pay out for different things, then you would be able to have maybe part of your claim subrogated, but that really breaks down to the carrier and how they work. But for most policies, just the PIP insurance pays out, and it's not supposed to show negatively against you because, if you're fault or not fault, PIP just pays out. So if you have questions about that, feel free to reach out and ask. More than happy to go over this with you. Again, this is Brittany with Mosaic Insurance, and this are tidbits from me.